This is an update from a previous video that I did using this Cobra bladder, and it really didn't work for me. I had to put my finger on the end of it for it to expand, which I obviously wouldn't be able to do inside the drain. So maybe it was just a bad one that I got that just didn't work properly for me. So I suggested getting a different kind because of the reviews that I later located. This is what I got, the Drain King. It comes with a sink adapter, the bladder, and a fitting that hooks up to your sink. This sink adapter is a must-have for any drain that is blocked from putting the bladder inside. So we put the bladder inside this adapter and then we hold it down onto the sink. But I'm going to show you how it's all done later. But first, let's go ahead and test it. You just screw it on the hose, and then you stick it down your sewer line or your kitchen sink, bathtub, shower stall, surface drain, washing machine lines, swimming pool lines, clean out drains, or whatever. Then you turn on the water and watch it inflate. I do not recommend that you do this without being inside the pipe because it could just blow up. I'm just doing this for demonstration so you can see how it works. I did not turn the water on full blast, so that's why it's expanding a little slow. When you shut off the water, it will deflate so that you can pull the bladder back out of the pipe. This diagram shows how it all works, and that you need to be below any other opening that would bypass the force to the stoppage. In my previous video, I simulated inserting the bladder past a T, as you would need to do to clean out a sewer line. Now I'm going to use the Drain King to make a seal on this 3-inch pipe and blow the cap off. If you had it full of water, you probably wouldn't get the noise of air escaping because water makes a better seal. I'm going to try it again, putting it down a little bit tighter. I put it on loosely the first time in case it shot off like a cannon and put a hole into something. So now I have it a little tighter. Let's see how it goes. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to put it on even a little bit more tighter and try one last time. Now we get to how to use the sink adapter. The bottom part of the adapter fits snugly into the sink just like it was made for it. And after hooking up your hose onto the bladder, you just put it inside the sink adapter, hold it down firmly, and turn on the water. And that will clean out your sink. Like this sink drain is blocked where you cannot stick the bladder inside of the drain, and that's as simple as it gets.